How do you concentrate on studies? Studying is one of the most challenging things a person can do. So many students are surrounded by distractions, interruptions, and numerous distractions every day that they fail to focus on their studies. This video provides 2 tips to help you become more focused and concentrate on your studies. Tip 1. Eliminate distractions. The best way to concentrate is to eliminate distractions. Distractions can be anything that distracts you from studying. A distraction could be a phone call, a text message, or even an email or Facebook notification. If possible, turn off your computer or remove all devices from sight, so you won't be tempted to look at them. If you're studying at home, put away any electronics that might be distracting you. Clean up your room so that it's neat and organized. You'll feel better if everything is in its place because this will give you a sense of control over your surroundings. Tip 2. Arrange study materials in one place. To concentrate on studies, you must arrange all study materials in one place before you begin. You can choose to keep your books, notes, and other things in separate places or combine them together. It is better to keep everything together in one place, or sort them in categories, so that you do not have to waste time looking for one material or the other during studying. You can do this by sorting all study materials into categories. Put books into a bookcase or shelf and then organize them according to the subjects that you are studying. Sort your pencils and pens by color, size, and brand name. Arrange your textbooks in order of subject, for example, mathematics, English, or type, for example, fiction and nonfiction. Store your reference books together with their index cards or side covers so that they will be easier to access when needed. Concentration is key to a successful study session, and can be the difference maker in your academic performance. What do you do to concentrate on your studies? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.